Hi everyone, we're at a house here in Sulphur Springs, Texas. We're putting the post in. These are going to be 8x8 posts. You got the view of the pretty horses. Let's go out there and see them, because this is what we're doing here. Hi. Hi. I don't know if that's electric, so I'm not going to touch it. Hi. I want to pet you, but I don't know if that's an electric fence. I'll get in trouble and you'll get in trouble. Won't you? Yeah. Yeah. You're pretty. Hi, y'all. Don't touch that fence. He's like, nope. I'm not going to touch it. So if you didn't touch it, I know I'm not going to touch it. So this is what we get to see when we do patio covers. Isn't that pretty? Oh, yeah. Some more over there. But this is going to be very, very pretty. I got two little puppies over here. Let's go say hi. Hey, y'all. Hi. Hi. Goodness. Goodness. What's your names? Huh? What's your names?
Really nice out here, right, Food?
Uh-huh. It's gonna rain. Here's some more that's a little bit closer. Got a nice view. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. Two white ones. Yeah, that is electric. And that's why those horses are so smart. I'm like, no. Not gonna touch it. I want to pet that little one so bad, but I don't want him to get shocked. But there you have it. We're starting to put the post on. You get to see some beautiful horses. It'll take us about 4 or 5 days to finish that. So please like and subscribe and watch the update on this patio cover. It's going to be beautiful. Bye, y'all.